Now, one thing that I like yet dislike about Apple is that they are slow in terms of bringing features to the market. But when they do it the best way, most of the time. Now, the best example would be the one feature that is one of the best key features of the iPhone 13 Pro models, the adaptive 120Hz OLED panel. Now, this feature isn't new if you look at the Android world, or probably pretty old, but Apple did it in the most efficient way possible, and so much so that it barely affects the battery life. And most of the time the screen sticks to the high refresh rate, so you can get best of the both worlds, which isn't the case in the Android world, however. So yeah, but today's news isn't about the iPhone's just another feature, it's about the iPhone's camera system. Now, Apple has drastically improved its camera system with the launch of the iPhone 11 series, whether you talk about the HDR or you talk about the cameras or camera sensors. With the iPhone 14 Pro, we're gonna see 48 megapixel main camera, but no other upgrades, and it will still feature 3 cameras, that's it. And for a few years now, Apple has been using the same 2x and 3x kind of telephoto cameras in its Pro models. Now, according to the elec, Apple has chosen a company based in South Korea as the supplier for the periscope camera equipment. Now, previously, analyst Min Chiu said that 2022 iPhone 14 Pro models would feature the periscope zoom system, but now Kuo is claiming that this will happen with the 2023 iPhone 15 Pro models. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. So finally, my latest Web 2 series wallpaper pack is here. It is by far my best creation. This pack has 12 different very high resolution wallpapers, custom made for modern desktops, tablets and smartphones. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.